Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Toyota Corolla here on a 2023 plate, which 73 that comes under 2024 as well. Just doing the basic service reset on this. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. But this is a car, if you've got something like this and you're wondering why the spanner light's on, but it does go off straight away. If you look around here, you see our spanner light, 9,000 miles. So what I'm going to do, the customer's had the service done, so I'm going to switch the ignition back off without pressing the brakes or anything. I'll switch the ignition on again till all the lights come on, as you can see right there now. So what I now need to do is here I've got to press back, so make sure it goes back. Then I've got to press right, go onto the spanner. Once you see the spanner, you got to press the OK button, hold it till the setting comes up. Oh no, with this one you just press OK, sorry, my bad. Right, then you scroll down till you see vehicle settings. Once you see the vehicle setting, you press hold the OK to change the settings, so you gotta hold it. Then go down to oil maintenance. Now if you did want to do the tire pressure as well, you could do that there as well. I'm sure this is, yep, that is the tire pressure. So I'll go back. For the oil maintenance, what you got to do, you got to press OK to reset. Then you scroll up, yes, press OK again. Now the reset is complete. So what you now do is press back, back again, back again, back again, and then go on to the map, whatever it was, switch the ignition off, and then start the car up. So I don't understand why the customer's done the service on this, but you wanted the service done, so my job was to reset it. So now it's 10,000, so basically 10,000 miles the next service is due. Usually if that's like 100 miles left or stuff like that, that's when you do the service. Or if it's in minus, I would say usually recommended at 500 miles left is better for the car as well. But that's all it is on this Toyota Corolla. It is a 2023-2024 plate. If there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.